Welcome to this new video of the Work Wise series. Today, we delve deeper into how essential lifelong learning is in staying current in a rapidly evolving AI landscape. This session is tailored for those who already understand the basics of AI and are ready to strategically enhance their learning journey. Let's explore actionable ways to continuously develop your skills in a world where artificial intelligence reshapes every aspect of our professional lives. Lifelong learning is not just an educational philosophy, but a vital career strategy, especially in tech-driven fields influenced by AI. It encompasses continuously acquiring, enhancing, and updating your skills throughout your career to keep pace with technological advancements and market demands. Think of it as keeping your career toolkit well equipped and ready for the future's challenges and opportunities. The rapid advancement of AI technologies means that skills that are relevant today might be outdated tomorrow. Consider how AI in healthcare has transitioned from simple patient data management systems to sophisticated diagnostic tools like IBM's Watson, which can analyze and interpret all of the data related to a patient's care and provide evidence-based treatment options. Staying updated through continuous learning is essential to maintain career relevancy. For successful continuous learning, begin by pinpointing specific AI skills that align with your career goals. If you're in data science, focusing on machine learning algorithms and their applications in big data might be most beneficial. Understanding which areas of AI are most impactful in your field will guide your learning efforts more effectively, ensuring you invest time and resources into skills that will pay off. Integrating AI tools and methodologies directly into your current job is an excellent way to see firsthand the practical benefits and challenges of these technologies. This hands-on approach not only deepens your understanding of AI, but also showcases your initiative to embrace and leverage new technologies within your professional sphere. For marketers, AI-driven analytics platforms are invaluable for understanding and predicting consumer behavior. Tools like Google Analytics and HubSpot offer powerful AI features that can analyze website traffic and user interactions to identify trends and patterns. These insights help marketers to tailor their strategies and create personalized advertisements that resonate with individual consumers, potentially boosting engagement and conversions. For instance, HubSpot's predictive lead scoring feature uses AI to analyze which leads are most likely to convert, allowing marketers to prioritize their efforts effectively. Customer service professionals can leverage AI through chatbots to enhance customer interaction. Platforms like chatbot.com or Drift allow businesses to implement chatbots on their websites or customer service portals easily. These AI chatbots can handle a multitude of routine queries simultaneously, learning from each interaction to improve their responses over time, which significantly enhances the customer experience by providing quick and accurate answers to common questions. In the realm of sales, free tools like Zoho CRM incorporate AI to help sales teams manage their pipelines more effectively. Zoho's AI assistant, Zia, offers predictions on sales trends and lead conversion probabilities, giving sales professionals actionable insights to refine their strategies. For those in content creation or writing, AI-powered tools like Grammarly or Hemingway Editor utilize natural language processing to improve writing quality by suggesting grammatical corrections, enhancing readability, and ensuring tone consistency, which can significantly elevate the quality of written content. By adopting these AI tools in your work, you not only enhance your productivity and efficiency, but also position yourself at the forefront of industry innovation. These applications show how AI can transform various aspects of professional activities, from automated customer interactions to data-driven marketing strategies and beyond, providing a comprehensive view of the potential of artificial intelligence in enhancing workplace dynamics. Platforms like Coursera and Udacity offer specialized courses designed by industry experts that cover a wide range of AI topics from beginner to advanced levels. For instance, Google's AI education programs provide insights into real-world AI applications and machine learning concepts, giving you both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. Engage in workshops and seminars that offer hands-on experiences with AI technologies. These events are not only learning opportunities, but also networking platforms where you can connect with peers and industry leaders. For example, attending AI conferences such as NER-IPS or ICML can provide insights into the latest research and trends directly from AI thought leaders. Keep up with the latest developments by reading AI research papers and industry publications. Academic journals like the Journal of Artificial Intelligence Research, or AI Magazine, offer great insights into contemporary AI advancements and theoretical breakthroughs, helping you stay ahead of the curve. Engage actively in AI projects or hackathons. These platforms test your skills against real-world problems, and often involve collaboration with other AI professionals. For example, participating in Kaggle competitions can enhance your problem-solving skills and expose you to diverse AI challenges across different industries. Develop a personal learning network by connecting with AI professionals on platforms like LinkedIn, joining AI interest groups, or attending industry meetups. This network can become a crucial resource for collaborative learning and professional opportunities. While technical skills are vital, soft skills like communication, leadership, and adaptability are indispensable in the AI field. These skills enable you to manage teams effectively, navigate workplace dynamics, and lead AI projects to success. They differentiate you in a tech-heavy field by highlighting your ability to merge technical proficiency with human-centric skills. As AI evolves, so do the ethical considerations it entails. Engage with ongoing discussions about AI ethics, attend seminars on the subject, and incorporate ethical decision-making into your AI projects. Being informed about ethical standards ensures that your AI implementations benefit society responsibly. Adopt a mindset of continuous improvement. The AI landscape is dynamic, with new technologies emerging rapidly. Commit to lifelong learning not as a task, but as a continuous journey that enhances your professional and personal growth. Viewing every failed project as a stepping stone is not just a positive mindset, but a fundamental approach in the field of artificial intelligence, where experimentation drives innovation. In AI development, failures aren't merely setbacks, they are valuable learning experiences that provide deep insights into the limits and potential of AI applications. This perspective is crucial, because it encourages persistence and innovation, key traits for anyone looking to excel in this dynamic field. So, the next time you face a setback in an AI project, or in your own skill development, remember that it's an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace these challenges with curiosity and determination, and use them to propel your work forward. Your ability to learn from failure, and to persevere, is what will ultimately define your success in the exciting world of artificial intelligence. Thank you for joining us on this insightful exploration of lifelong learning in the AI era. Remember, embracing continuous education is your best strategy for thriving in an ever-evolving technological landscape. Keep learning, stay adaptable, and leverage your new skills to lead in the AI revolution. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into staying relevant and successful in the age of artificial intelligence.